Okay, so even if you're not the biggest fan of mushrooms, I think this recipe is gonna convince you. But if you are already a fan of mushrooms, then you're in for a treat. This is our creamy polenta with sauteed mushrooms recipe, and it's so good. We've gone to Italy for inspiration for this recipe, and it really packs a punch. We've got both a high protein and weight loss version of this meal, and it's just one of the recipes in our weekly meal plans. I've put a link to those in the description and comment section of this video, as well as the link for this recipe. So let's head to the Hurry the Food Up kitchen and get started. In a medium-sized pan, add vegetable broth, milk, cream cheese, polenta, nutritional yeast, and thyme sprigs. Mix them all together and cook it until it begins to boil, and then turn down the heat to cook until the polenta is tender and creamy. Meanwhile, start cooking your egg and leave it in for your desired time. We used about 7 minutes for a runny egg at the end. Then heat a pan with some olive oil and add mushrooms to cook. You can add some salt and pepper if you would like. Now add some chopped basil and sun-dried tomatoes to water along with a pinch of salt. Now it's time to plate up, and you can make it as artistic and fun as you want. Or if you're hungry, just get on with it. How about that for those pesky mushrooms, hey? Let us know in the comments if you try this, as we would love to know how you get on. Now, if you're looking for more incredible but easy to make recipes, then you should definitely watch one of these videos.